Today on Open Exam Prep, we're tackling a crucial topic for the SIE exam, margin accounts, specifically focusing on maintenance requirements and margin calls. A margin account lets you borrow money from your broker-dealer to purchase securities, which provides leverage but also comes with significant risk. While Regulation T sets the initial deposit requirement at 50% of the purchase price, the more frequent issue you'll face, and what the exam loves to test, is the minimum maintenance requirement. The most important formula to memorize for long margin accounts is long market value, or LMV, minus the debit balance, or DB, equals equity, or EQ. Think of it this way. The LMV is the current value of your stocks, the debit is your loan from the broker, and the equity is your piece of the pie. FINRA sets the absolute minimum equity you can have at 25% of the long market value. As long as your equity is greater than or equal to this 25% minimum, your account is in good standing. Let's use a concrete example you might see on the exam. An investor buys $20,000 of stock in a new margin account. Initially, the LMV is $20,000. They must deposit 50%, or $10,000, and their debit balance from the loan is the other $10,000. Their equity is also $10,000, which is 50% of the LMV, so they're well above the minimum. Now, the market takes a downturn and the stock value, or LMV, drops to $12,000. The debit balance, remember, stays fixed at $10,000 because the loan amount hasn't changed. So, the investor's equity is now the LMV of $12,000 minus the debit of $10,000, which is only $2,000. Now we have to check if this triggers a margin call. We take the new LMV of $12,000 and multiply it by the 25% minimum maintenance requirement, which gives us $3,000. Since the investor's current equity of $2,000 is below the required $3,000, they will receive a maintenance call. The call amount is the difference between the required equity and the current equity. In this case, $3,000 minus $2,000 equals a $1,000 call. The investor must deposit $1,000 in cash or other marginable securities to bring their equity back up to the minimum. If the investor doesn't meet that call promptly, the firm has the right to sell securities from the account to cover the deficiency. This is a forced liquidation, and it's a major risk because the investor loses control over which shares are sold and at what price the firm sells them. Here's a mental shortcut to help this stick. First, always burn this into your memory. LMV minus debit gives you equity. To quickly find the exact market value where a call gets triggered, use this trick. Take the debit balance and divide it by 0.75. In our example, the $10,000 debit divided by 0.75 equals $13,333. This means if the LMV falls below that specific number, a call is coming. It's a great way to double-check your math. The most common trap on the SIE exam is confusing the 50% initial Regulation T requirement with the 25% FINRA maintenance requirement. Remember, initial is for the first purchase. Maintenance is the ongoing minimum. Another common mistake is to forget that the debit balance is fixed. Don't adjust the debit when the market value of the securities changes. Always calculate your current equity first. Then compare it to the minimum required equity to see if there's a call.